Hi horn players, we're finally to one of the favorite pages of beginning horn playing. We're about to learn hot cross buns. So far you've learned about whole notes, which get 4 beats. Remember, those are the circle notes. And then you've learned about half notes, which get 2 beats. So the whole notes are like right here, and then the half notes get 2 beats. So whole notes are 4, half notes are 2. Now we're about to learn quarter notes. So a quarter note gets 1 beat or 1 count. So our tongue is really important for quarter notes because as we're playing them, we want to think 2, 2, 2, 2. So we're blowing. Now a quarter note is sort of like a filled in half note. So that's going to get 1 beat. And then a quarter rest by itself looks sort of like this squiggly line. So each quarter rest here gets 1 beat. So rest, 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 rest. So that's 4 counts of rest in that one measure. And you might remember that the previous pages used whole rests to notate that same thing. You could use either thing. Generally, you will see a whole rest, but right here, they're teaching you about quarter rests, which is why they use the squiggly line rest. Okay, so we're going to start with number 15. It starts on A. Again, we're going to go past the stage of guessing the letters or saying the letters before we go through. We shouldn't be guessing at this point. We're going to skip past saying the letters first, and we're just going to play through this. But we are going to check in on our note first. So here's our first note, which is A. Play that with me. So notice we start on the highest note, and then we go a step down with each note, and then back up a little bit, and then down, okay? So here we go, number 15 on that. A, 1, 2, ready, play. Rest, 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 rest. Make sure you're using your tongue as you play. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, here we are, the fun moment, hot cross buns. So we are going to mix together all of the things that we've learned so far. So we have learned about half notes, we've learned about whole notes, we've learned about quarter notes, and we've learned about half rest, which we see one right there. And we've also learned about breath marks. So as you're playing through hot cross buns, I challenge you to really think about all of the things that we've learned so far. So half notes being 2 beats, whole notes being 4 beats, and quarter notes being 1 beat. So a lot of students will play this and they'll try and play it da 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 after playing this nice and slow. So let's make sure that we're at the same tempo or the same speed as we play through. Again, your tongue is really important here. So you're starting each note with a 2. 2, 2, 2. All right, here's our first note. Remember, that's A, 1 and 2. Let's match. All right, here we go. Hot cross buns. 1, 2, ready, play. One more time just to give yourself an opportunity to maybe correct something that didn't go as well as you would have hoped. So again, make sure that you're using your tongue to start each note, and then notice the difference between this measure with the F and this measure with the F. So this one is a whole note, which is 4 counts, so I'm going to hold that for 4 beats. And then this F is a half note followed by a half rest, so the F only sounds for 2 beats. All right, here we go. Hot cross buns, one more time. Here's A. Let's play it. 1, 2, ready, play.